So yesterday, a large animal of some kind was stuck in the attic, and this is inside the garage. And I don't know what it is. I'm thinking maybe a pterodactyl. Whatever it is, it's big. And so I can't climb or do much of anything because I have a broken arm and a jacked up knee. So I had my wife climb up onto that ladder to open that up. Unfortunately, well, and then have a little light up there so that whatever it is can just scurry on out. I've got to find a way to get a critter out of my walls. I'm starting to think it's a bird, like a big one, like a condor. One of the other options is going, did you hear that? Going through that area there. Hear that monster? He's in there. Get out of there. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to go through there. Alright, so it's going to take a while to cut this because I have a broken arm. So I'm going to stop filming because you'll hear me say things. Alright, so what I did is I was able to cleanly cut through this backing. And now I'm to the drywall and the critter is right back there. What I'm doing right now is I am cutting through the drywall. And actually at this point I probably should have a plan for when I do break through. What if it's like a raccoon or something else? I'm starting to wonder if I'm like releasing some kind of a demon because it's kind of creepy. Now when it comes out at me, I should practice screaming. What is that? I think it's a bird. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying. Whatever it is still, you see that? It's whatever it is legitimately trying to get out. Okay. Man, this is so much fun. This is the most fun I've ever had. Okay. Be ready to open the door, or you know, the screen door.
Screen door, got it.
Please don't be something huge. I got a great idea. How about you're a chickadee? Son of a biscuit. Okay. That's it. Okay, I get it. I get it. Can you get out now? Okay, I got it. It's a bird. Okay. Right there. Okay, I can get it. No problem. We got this. All right, buddy. There you go. Oh. Okay. Right there. Hey, bird just flew.
Oh, there's the bird in the house, Mama.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Okay, we got him.
Sir.
All right. Everything will be fine. All right, dude, there's a door right here. Come on, homie. Come on. Oh, no, so close. Jeez. Okay, this is okay. It's okay, dude. You're okay. So much better. Hey, I know. See? Everything's fine. Okay, I got you. You're going to be fine.
Such a cute bird.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Good Lord. Come on. Let's
here.
release him. Lord. There you go, buddy. Hey. All right.
What?
He's a baby.
I want to shut the door so he doesn't end up back there.
Yes, please. All right, he's going to be okay.
Wow. Hero.
Hopefully he'll be okay.